Investing in a growth stock mutual fund allows you to participate in the potential growth of companies that are expected to increase their earnings at an above-average rate. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in a growth stock mutual fund. Research and select a growth stock mutual fund. Look for mutual funds that focus on investing in companies with high growth potential. Consider factors like the fund's historical performance, expense ratio, fund manager's track record, and the fund's investment strategy. Choose a brokerage or fund platform. Select a brokerage or fund platform that offers a wide range of mutual funds, including growth stock funds. Consider factors like fees, minimum investment requirements, and the platform's user experience. Open an investment account. Follow the account opening process provided by your chosen brokerage or fund platform. Provide the necessary personal and financial information and complete any required forms. Fund your account. Transfer funds from your bank account to your investment account. Most platforms offer various funding methods such as wire transfer, electronic funds transfer, or check deposit. Research and select specific growth stock mutual funds. Within the platform, research and select the specific growth stock mutual funds you want to invest in. Consider diversifying your investment across multiple funds to spread the risk. Determine your investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest in the growth of stock mutual funds. You can invest a lump sum or set up automatic contributions to invest regularly. Place your investment order. Use the brokerage or fund platform to place an order to buy shares of the selected growth stock mutual funds. Specify the amount or number of shares you want to purchase.